So right now I'm going to publish the result. Already you have completed the exam, right?
Yes.
So are you excited to hear the result?
Yes.
Okay. So in today's exam, Yasuddin sir will become the first one. Okay. I have given 20 translation. So among them, within 20, you are achieving 14 out of 20. Okay? And you have written 49 words.
Yes.
So please begin.
Please give hands
Second one, your total mark 63.
63.
Okay. And second one is Jubair. Please stand. Please begin. You have got 11 out of 20. Okay. And you have written 50 words. So begins. Sami will become the third one. Please stand up. Sami has got 17 out of 20, and you have written 43 words.
These are the
Okay, so 61. 63, 61, 60.
Okay, please clap for everyone.
Listen. So those who are not first, second, or third, no problem. We will be successful today or tomorrow, inshallah.
Inshallah.
And everyone, you have to have the intentions. One day I will become successful. I want to see the ending line. Okay.
After publishing the results, Khalid bin Saleh sir gave them books as the prizes. Also, I gave because I'm working as an IELTS instructor in English Message.